In front of me is POCO C71 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When it's ready, launch it. Then select OK in Welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on, and now to set it up, go into Tab menu. You need to edit your shortcuts by clicking on this pen at the bottom right corner, scrolling all the way down and holding New Caffeine shortcut. When you see it, hold it, drag it to your currently used ones, and place it wherever you want to. Then click at the top left corner here, and tap on your shortcut. Select this switcher next to Allow modifying system settings to enable it, and go back to shortcut menu. This time when you click on it, you can turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!